Hello, my YouTube people. Well, I have been challenged. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. I have been challenged to go into Home Goods and recreate an item that's on their shelves. Let's go. So here we are at Home Goods. Let's see what we can find. No, I don't think so. Next. Oh, this looks interesting. Too easy. 30 bucks. Still too easy. Let's see what else we can find. Ooh, I like this. This is nice. It's all shimmery. 40 bucks. Whoa. I like you. Oh, these are cool. Oh, might be a little bit too easy though still. Let's see. Let's see how much this is. $12.99. Let's see. What else? Oh, these are cool. You found the for less? I don't think so. I could make it for less. Nah, that's too easy. Come on, challenge me. 13 bucks. No thanks. Oh, Oh, I like that. Wood and resin. I like this. $24.99. Let's see what else. That might be too easy too. I like this guy. $12.99. No. Let's look around. Oh, this is kind of neat. Still too easy. Let's see how much this is. $24.99. This is heavy. Oh, they're hooks. Okay, yeah. I don't know. Too easy. Oh, still too easy. I don't know. Oh, I like this guy. This is cute. Another contender. Let's see how much this is. $14.99. Okay. I like you. Oh. She's so cute. She's fancy. She's really easy too, though. $14.99. That's really simple. Oh, I like that. That's really cool. Oh, how cute is this? So cute. Let's see how much this is. $12.99. It's actually not bad. It was nice quality. It was heavy. What's this? Ooh, I like this. This may be a contender. I really like that. A lot of deer. Oh, I could put some coquito in here. But then that's really not that much of a challenge because I do it anyway. But oh, what do we have here? Disco ice bucket. $19.99. That's another contender. But that also might be a little bit too easy. They have oh, how cute are those? They have so many cute Christmas things here at Home Goods. I don't know what that is. It's like a little cupcake. Oh, I love these guys. I like these for me. I might make these. Cute penguins. $12.99. Not bad. They're heavy. They're made out of wood. Really cute. Oh, these are nice. Mikasa. That's beautiful. Those are really nice. I like those too. That might be a contender. Oh, I really like those. So creative. I love the items in here. This place is dangerous. Let's see how much these are. $12.99. It seems like everything's $12.99. $12.99. This is nice. I really like these. These are heavy. Those are cute. $10. That's worth it just to buy it. I like these. These are super cute. I like the little trees. So cute. They look fragile. How much is that? $4.99. Oh. Yeah, well. They're plastic. Nah. If I made that, it'd be out of glass. Let's see. Let me think about that. Let's see. Oh, this is fun. These are wine bottle stoppers. Wow, that is cute. $7.99. I mean, what's this? Oh, this is nice. I like that. I like these too. These caught my eye. These are super cute. Let's put that here. I want to see what's over here. Ooh. That is really cute. That's really cute. It's very girly. Big glam. $19.99. Wow. Oh, look at the one behind it. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really nice. So many cute things. What can I make? What do you guys think? Why don't you let me know in the comments? Ooh, I really like that. Is this glass? Let's see. I hope this is glass. This is so nice. I love this. Wow. Looks like they're metal. Let's see. Yep, it's metal. And that's glass. Yep. This is really nice. I like that. $7.99. Wow. Have you guys ever seen so much holiday stuff? So, my YouTube people, what do you think? You think I have a shot? What are your favorites? Let me know down in the comments which one. I think I know which 3 are my top 3 contenders, but I don't know. I think you guys are gonna have to stay tuned one of these Vlogmas days so I can reveal which one I chose. As if Vlogmas wasn't crazy enough, I have now been challenged. What am I doing? So what do you think of this Vlogmas Day 5? I've been challenged and I take that really, really serious. I'm almost a little bit too competitive. And the bigger thing is I'm going to try to do this for under $10. You heard me, under $10. The challenge has been accepted. If you like this content and you're new here, my name is Maria. I go by A Talented Latina. This is Vlogmas Madness. So please like, please subscribe, please comment. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which ones are your favorite. Let me know which ones you'd like to see me do. And I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 6. Peace.